Hello, today I have a great recipe for a sourdough 100% whole wheat sandwich bread. This sandwich bread is soft, delicious, and healthy. So, here we go! To start this recipe, make a whole wheat sourdough starter, or levain. Combine 40 grams or 2 3/4 tablespoons of water with 40 grams or 1 1/2 tablespoons of sourdough starter. Use a silicone spatula to stir the ingredients well until the sourdough starter dissolves in the water. Add 40 grams or 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour and stir until you have a well combined dough. Cover the jar loosely with a lid and place a rubber band on the jar to mark the level of the starter. Let the levain proof in a warm place for about 8 hours or until it doubles in size. After 8 hours, my levain has doubled in size and it is ready to use. I will be using 2 different kinds of whole wheat flour today. The main whole wheat flour that I will use is this white whole wheat flour, made of a hard white spring wheat. The protein content on this flour is lower, the color is lighter, and the flavor is milder than traditional whole wheat flour. And I will also use traditional whole wheat flour made of hard red wheat, which has a more robust flavor, and the traditional darker color of the whole wheat flour. You can see the difference between these two flours. So, to start, put 335 grams or 1 1/3 cups of water in a bowl. Add 150 grams or 3/4 cups of traditional hard red wheat flour. Stir with a dough whisk to dissolve all the flour in the water. Add 50 grams or 1/3 cup of vital wheat gluten. This will improve the texture and elasticity of the dough. If you don't have it at hand, you can use the same amount of bread flour or all-purpose flour. Mix well to incorporate the wheat gluten in the dough. And add little by little 250 grams or 1 3/4 cups of white whole wheat flour. If you don't have white whole wheat flour, you can make this recipe with only traditional whole wheat flour. You will only have to add 50 grams or 3 1/2 tablespoons of water more to this recipe. Mix well with the dough whisk and then use your hands to incorporate well all the ingredients in the dough until no dry spots of flour remain in the dough. When you are done, cover the dough with a towel and let it rest in the counter for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, place the dough in the stand mixer. You can mix these ingredients by hand, but since I cut my left thumb and my fingers is still healing, I am gonna use my stand mixer. Add 50 grams or 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 50 grams or 2 tablespoons of agave syrup. You can also use honey or any other syrup that you like. Add all of the levain that you previously prepared, and 8 grams or 1/2 tablespoon of kosher salt. Use the hook attachment and start kneading the dough for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, your dough should be almost ready. So, check the elasticity. My dough is soft and elastic, so I'm gonna leave it in the same bowl and I will let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, stretch and fold the dough to help the gluten develop. Then cover it with a towel and let the dough rest for 1 more hour. Get the dough out of the bowl and stretch it until you have a long rectangle. Fold the sides of the dough in and start forming the dough into a cylinder shape with your hands. Fold the sides of the dough in. And pull the dough towards you to create more tension in the dough. Place the dough seam side down in a prepared 9 by 5 inch or 23 by 13 centimeters loaf pan. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it proof in a warm place. I am proofing my bread at 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 26 degrees Celsius for about 4 hours or until the dough reaches at least the rim of the pan. When your dough is ready, place it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. When your bread is ready, take it out of the oven and brush it with melted butter. Let your bread cool off at least 1 hour before slicing it. This 100% whole wheat sandwich bread is very soft and delicious. It is a healthier and better option than traditional white bread. I love to toast this bread for my sandwiches. Like this simple healthy sandwich that I made with lettuce, avocado slices, tomatoes, kosher salt, pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and 2 slices of fresh mozzarella cheese. A very delicious and healthy option. Or how about a healthy snack for your children? My kids love a toasted slice of this bread with peanut butter or almond butter and some slices of fresh strawberries. This is a delicious and very healthy bread that goes well with everything. Enjoy! I really hope you can try this recipe. Please let me know if you try it. If you like this video, please click in the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new recipe every week. Thank you for watching.